Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickUp for managing backlinks and outreach, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the ClickUp website by entering www.clickup.com in your browser. On the home page, look for the Get Started button and click it. You will be directed to the registration page. If you have a Google account, you can choose to sign up using it for convenience. Otherwise, fill in the required fields with your email address and a secure password. Once you've completed the form, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from ClickUp. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. After verifying your email, you will be taken back to ClickUp. Now, you will need to set up your workspace. Enter a name for your workspace that relates to your backlink management efforts. Next, choose your preferred currency and select a plan that suits your needs. For beginners, the free plan is a great choice to start with. Once you select a plan, you will be prompted to enter additional information about your team. You can skip this step if you are working alone. After you finish filling out your workspace details, click on Create Workspace. ClickUp will guide you through an onboarding process. Follow the prompts to familiarize yourself with the interface. You can choose to take the tour to learn about key features. To start managing backlinks, create a new folder by clicking the plus icon in the sidebar. Name the folder something relevant, like Backlink Management. Once your folder is created, click on it to open it. Now, create a new list by clicking the plus list button. Label your list as Outreach or Backlinks to identify its purpose. Within the list, you can start creating tasks for each backlink opportunity. Click on the plus task button and fill in the details for your first outreach task. Make sure to include the website you are targeting and any relevant notes. Use the status dropdown to track progress, such as not started or in progress. You can also set due dates and assign tasks. To further enhance your workflow, explore integrations and automations. Click on the Integrations tab in the settings to connect tools you already use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.